Welcome back to the garden. So I've got yet another unboxing video. Really excited about this one. Got this from Gardening Express. So I wasn't sure of the quality, so I thought let's vlog it, give you guys a real kind of opinion about what it looks like. I'll show you all that sort of stuff, packaging. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So from my latest Orlando trip, it really got me thinking that I genuinely want more palms in the garden. Yes, I've got a tropical feel, but I haven't got that many palms. The palm that I really wanted was the Washington palm. They're littered in Orlando and they just hold the skyline. They're hardy down to about -8, so here in the UK, potentially we might have to give them some support over winter. We are in like a rural area here in the UK, in Staffordshire. So yeah, Washington palm, that's what I'm going to be unboxing. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now this looks really impressive, but hate to burst the bubble, I didn't order a 6-foot palm. I actually went ahead and ordered 3 to 4 feet. And I ordered 2 of them. So this is how they've come. They've come in one box, which is really good. Saves on postage and packaging. I think together for the 2 it cost me $39.99, and that's including delivery. So really good value. Probably one of the cheapest out there on the market for us here in the UK. So yes, let's get into it. So I don't know why, but I thought one would be stacked on top of the other because I only ordered 3 to 4 feet. Now this, I'm not the tallest, granted, but this is taller than me, and there's 2 in here, so I'm absolutely over the moon with the size of them. So let's get them out fully. So surprisingly, they are really good quality. Now, things that I'm looking for, obviously there's nothing on the leaves, no mites, dust, fungus or anything like that, but most importantly it's the throwing out brand new shoots, which is a good sign of a really healthy plant. So I'm really pleased with that, and that's on both of them. So you can see just there. There we go, that's the new one. I'm struggling to see that just. So as long as we've got a decent root system inside that, then they'll be absolutely fine. What I am going to do, just for you guys, I'm going to put a bit of cardboard down because I'm in the kitchen on a night vlog, and I'm just going to knock the soil off and just see what the root looks like, just so you guys can see. So they have been pot grown. They've just been top dressed with a little bit of fresh peat or compost, so that's really good. They've been pot grown, so what that does mean is they're going to get going a lot better in your garden as opposed to ones which have been grown in the ground and dug up. There we have it. So I am super happy with these. Really good value. Like I said, I paid $39.99 including delivery for these 2. They come packaged really well, looks like they've been taken care of. Pot grown plants, so means they're going to get going better in your garden straight away. So would I recommend them? Yeah, I absolutely would. So Gardening Express is a big thumbs up from me. Are they too good to be true? No, I don't think so. They're not the stockiest of plants, but the height will really make up for them. So really pleased. So if you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. Then please do consider subscribing, because we've got lots coming up on the channel with this new garden, and give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. So until next time guys, I'll see you in the garden.